exploring the latest breakthroughs in deep learning research, deep learning technology and advanced algorithms. Deep learning technology relies on artificial neural networks to mimic the way the human brain processes information. Research advancements and emerging technologies. From computational modeling to neural network research methodologies, advancements in deep learning are driving the development of intelligent systems and cognitive computing. Deep learning applications and AI developments. The progress in deep learning research has led to the development of innovative technology that can be used to analyze vast amounts of data and extract valuable insights. Deep learning frameworks and data science advancements. These frameworks enable researchers to experiment with different neural network architectures and streamline the process of training and testing models. Deep learning principles and algorithmic advancements. At the core of deep learning research are the principles that guide the development of algorithmic solutions. Researchers are constantly refining and optimizing neural network models to achieve better accuracy and performance. Deep learning insights and future trends. By staying at the forefront of research and embracing emerging technologies, researchers can harness the power of deep learning to create smarter, more efficient systems that improve lives and shape the future. Conclusion. In conclusion, the latest breakthroughs in deep learning research are paving the way for a future powered by intelligent systems and advanced algorithms.